chasing the sun. All those days trying to find a place where you only can just be alone, alone. All those nights lying by your side.
Hey y'all, it's Jessie Lynn Somerville Kane and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell so you can always be notified whenever I upload a video. And if you're returning, thank you so much. It means everything to me. Today's video is going to be a get ready with me. A while back, I did a video where I asked anybody if they have any questions because I was going to do a Q&A, and I really didn't get that many questions. And the ones I did, I think there was like 3. It was the same. It was, who's my favorite YouTuber? And that would be Casey Holmes. I feel like if she uploads, like, I have to watch it. She's just so down to earth and I love watching her. Well, I really wanted to do something for y'all to get to know me better, and I love journaling. I love journaling. One of the things I do when I journal is I love doing surveys, lists, all kinds of stuff like that. So I wrote down 21 questions that I'm gonna read and answer while I do my makeup. Anyways, to start off, I'm going in with the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. And the first question is, where is one place you feel most like yourself? Well, obviously for me, it's home. I don't get out much. Ever since I lost my husband, I just have become kind of like a recluse. I get really nervous around people, especially people I don't really know. For foundation, I'm going in with the Huda Beauty. I don't even know what it says. It's just Huda Beauty Fake Filter High Coverage Cream Foundation, and I'm going in with Macaroon, which is 230 in. All right, second question is, what's one thing that happened to you in your life that made you feel weak? For me, that would have to be losing my first husband. Ever since it happened, like, if my girls are awake, I'm okay. Like, as long as I'm around them, like, I can focus on them and I'm happy, well, as happy as I can be, and I'm fine, or as fine as I can be. But like, if they're asleep or whatever, it's like the emptiness is like, hey, here I am, and I don't know, I cry, and that's that. This foundation is looking a little light. Hopefully it'll oxidize. Next question. Who do you think has had the largest influence on the person you are today? And I would have to say my granny. We had a very, very close relationship. She passed away in April of 2014, and I always knew that I could tell her anything. She would be there for me, and I miss her so much. Like, she was my rock. Next is, if you could change one thing about yourself, what would it be? I would change my smile. I hate my smile. I hate smiling in photos. I don't think I've ever mentioned it on here, but I was in a bicycle wreck when I was younger, and I hit and then I slid going down my face, like down a driveway, and I broke my jaw and everything, but my front tooth chipped, and the dentist that fixed it messed it up, and so there's really not much we can do about it right now. For concealer, I'm going in with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Light Neutral. My camera is about to die, so I'm gonna try to blend this out real quick so I can go ahead and change batteries. To set my eye and under my eye, I'm going to go in with the Essence Brighten Up Banana Powder. Next question is, what is your favorite quality about your best friend? Well, my best friend is my husband, and I love how easygoing he is, and that I can talk to him about anything. Like, it doesn't matter what it is, I can talk to him about it. He's there for me. He helps me get through whatever. I'm forever thankful for that. All right, to set the rest of my face, I'm going in with my Too Faced Born This Way setting powder. My husband and my late husband now both, like, I don't know how I got so lucky to find two people that just really truly care about how I feel, you know. Next question, what gets you excited about life? And that would be watching my daughters grow up and just watching them learn new things, being happy, and I love being a mom. Next question, what life lesson did you learn the hard way? That you can't force somebody to be in your life. If someone wants to be in it, they'll make the effort. And I say this because I finally figured it out at 23 years old that my real father was just, he wasn't gonna be there. And after getting my hopes up for so many years over somebody that just didn't care, like, it was just really refreshing to finally say, hey, if he wanted to be here, he would. He's not. Better off without him. For bronzer, I'm going in with the Pixie Beauty Bronzer Summertime. The stuff, I've had it forever. Do you think crying is a sign of weakness or strength? And I would say strength, because so many people are afraid to cry. So I feel like if you can let it out, you're not scared to show your emotions. You're letting it out. You're not holding it in. I have learned it's better to just let it out. I think that it's showing that you're not afraid to hide, that you're, you know, upset about something. Y'all, I am just loving this combination of products on my face right now. Which activities make you lose track of time? Really, anytime I'm with my family, like, I love family time. To contour, I'm going in with the Kat Von D Shade Light Palette. And I am going in with that shade right there. All right, next question, what was the last thing that made you cry? Just missing my late husband. I feel like that's, you know, the main thing that makes me cry. Next question, what's your favorite memory? That would be saying I do to my late husband. I love him so much. Knowing that he wanted to spend the rest of his life with me, and I wanted to spend the rest of my life with him, and we knew without a doubt, like, it was awesome. What's my biggest fear? Going through what I've already went through and losing my husband now. Something happening to my kids. Anything from, I mean, just being hurt in any way. Like, I never want to see my kids hurt. Alright, for blush, I'm going in with this LA Girl Just Blushing in the shade Just Bare. What movie could you watch over and over and never get tired of it? That would be the Jurassic Park movies or Fireproof. Those two movies are amazing. Those 6 movies are amazing, excuse me. I have all 5 of the Jurassic Parks and we watch them all the time. For highlight, I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution Beyond Radiance palette. And I ended up dropping this and breaking a shade out of it. But I'm going in with the middle one. Oh, next question. What are your pet peeves? I hate being lied to. Anyone hurting my family. I don't know. I mean, I know we all have pet peeves, but like thinking of them off the top of my head right now, I'm like, all right, for my eyeshadow today, I'm going in with the Desert Vibes palette from IBY Beauty. And I'm also going to try to use this. I've never used it. I forgot I had it. It's a single eyeshadow from L'Oreal by the Havana Cabello, whatever. It just looks like this. However you pronounce it. I know I'm not saying it right. I will. Into waves. To start in, I'm going in with that shade right there. It's just called Low Key. And the next question is, do you believe in love at first sight? And yes, I do. When I met my late husband, the second I met him, I knew he was it. And we both, I mean, from the second we met, we were inseparable. We wanted to be around each other as much as we could, and I knew I loved him. Same thing, like when we met, I was like, yes, this is the man that's gonna help me not have to go through everything alone. So, yes, I do believe in love at first sight. What makes you nervous? Like Like I mentioned earlier, just being around being around people I don't know, being around a large group of people. Next question is, what was your family like growing up? I had some cousins that, you know, I was around from my dad's side, and oh my gosh, they were awesome. I still talk to them, of course. And, but as far as like the adults in my dad's side, they were never really around. So as far as adults, it was just on my mom's side. And I grew up super close with my mom, my aunt, my granny, my uncle. I mean, we're all there for each other. Like if somebody needs help getting their kid to school or anything like that, like we all help each other. We're not afraid to ask each other for help. We do what we can for each other. We all, you know, check on each other all the time. And okay, next question. What's the one thing you cannot live without? Hands down, God. He has answered so many prayers for me, like even in just the last week, and I cannot thank him enough. I'm gonna go in with take a hike. But I have learned that without God, like, I couldn't make it. Not with everything I've been through. What inspires you the most? Just knowing that my late husband's looking down on me. Like, he was the one that actually wanted me to start YouTube. So I'm really giving this my all and trying to make him happy and proud. And I want to be the best mom I can be. I want them to know that their mom always loves them. And I want him to just always look down and be proud of the mom I am. I think about that nonstop, just making him proud. Now I'm gonna go in with Aurora, which is that shade right there. And I'm just gonna highlight my brow bone with that. Alright, now I'm gonna go in with this L'Oreal single eyeshadow. And I'm just gonna put that on my lid. That is really pretty. I'm gonna swatch it for y'all real quick. Like, that is gorgeous. And those of y'all that haven't been watching me, my 7-year-old's the one that does my nails. I would rather her do them and have that mother-daughter time than paint them myself or go get them done. Alright, for my eyebrows, I'm going to go in with the Found Shape and Define Brow Pencil. And I'm going to do this off camera real quick. And I'll be right back. Alright, for eyeliner, I'm going in with the Long Lasting Eye Pencil in Black Fever from Essence. For mascara, I'm going in with the Tarte Tardiest, and I love this stuff. The next question is, do you trust anyone with your life? And my husband, I mean, I wouldn't marry him. I wouldn't have married him if I didn't trust him. I know that he would go to the ends of the earth to protect me. Alright, for my lips, I'm going in with this Stila Stay All Day liquid lipstick in this shade Dolce. And this stuff is so pretty. Alright, and to set everything, I'm going in with the Essence Keep It Perfect Makeup Fixing Spray. I think that was it. Okay, I missed one. Do you have any regrets? I mean, we all have things that we wish we would have done differently or could have done differently. I have anxiety really bad, so I feel like if I sit here and think about things, like, it just really gets to me. So I honestly believe, and I have learned the hard way, that life is too short to have any regrets. We all do the best we can. Yeah, there are several things that after it happened, I wish I would have done different. All you can do is live for today, and make the best of today. Life is too short. You're doing the best you can, or we're doing the best we can. It just matters what you do from this point forward, you know? That is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Sorry if you didn't. I don't know, I just thought it would be fun. I will see y'all in my next video. Me and my husband are gonna try to film again really soon, so be watching out for that. And I will see y'all later. Toodles.